Have you ever thought about the quality of the food that we eat daily? I really hadn't either until recently. For the last couple of months, I've been doing research on genetically modified organisms, or GMOs. Genetically modified means these foods have had the DNA from other species injected into them in order to create a more desirable product. A few examples include chickens that have been injected with a hormone that stops feather production, making it quicker and easier for these chickens to be produced for food. One of the more shocking products is corn produced in the US. 80% of our corn has been injected with insecticides so that when a bug tries to eat the crop, it is killed instantly. If these foods are killing insects, I have to wonder whether or not they're going to be harmful to humans. There have been no studies published clearly stating whether or not they are harmful. However, intestinal and inflammatory diseases, allergies, and other chronic illnesses have been on the rise since GMOs were introduced into our food supply. In fact, there have been multiple studies done on rats which revealed that rats had a slower developmental rate, increase in tumors, and shorter lifespans when they were fed GMOs. These studies were not published because this data was flawed, and the FDA does not require any more testing to be done than this. They say that it is okay that the companies producing these seeds do self-assessments on their safety. It's okay though. I'm sure that these companies won't withhold any results that might ruin their business. In fact, it wouldn't even matter if they did or not, because the former VP of the biggest company producing GMOs, Monsanto, is now the policy head at the FDA. And it's not just in the FDA. Monsanto has advocates in most areas of the government ensuring that their products continue to be made no matter what scientific studies reveal about their food. Because Monsanto claims that they are going to solve world hunger using GMOs. There is no inherent need for GMOs to be produced in the US, and the potential harm effects on people are scary, especially since we eat GMOs every day of our lives. As college students, we are going to soon be the future leaders of this country, and we can stop the production of GM foods and revert our country back to natural and organic foods. Foods which grow just as well, if not better than GM crops. We have the ability to make a difference, but first, college students need to know the truths about them. What do you think about GMOs?
I have no idea what a GMO is.
I couldn't tell you what a GMO is, to be honest with you.
Or what?
GMOs.
I don't even know what that is.
GMOs.
What are GMOs?
What is a GMO? Genetically modified organic food?
Nah.
Really, what is it?
Genetically modified organisms.
What do you think about them?
I don't think they're as harmful as people make them out to be.
I think they're bad. I prefer to eat foods that do not contain GMOs.
I've not heard of a GMO.
Oh, GMOs.
GMOs. I know what they are, genetically mutated organisms, but that's all. I don't really know.
I don't know what those are.
You don't know what GMO is?
No.
I don't really think about them because I don't know what they are.
What do you think about GMOs?
You're going at such a great time. If they don't have GMOs, I don't eat them.